we're going to give the olives a little bit of a wash. Make sure that anything that shouldn't be there floats out. So for now, these are now washed. We're going to cut them and take the pips out. And the reason we do that is because we don't want to damage our new, what's it even called? Blender. So I've not actually done it yet before, so I can see how hard it is to take the pips out. Okay, so peeling them was a little bit too hard, so I'm gonna try just straight blendering them. We'll see how that works out. Hopefully the blender can take it because it's brand new, so hopefully it'll be alright, but we'll find out. So this is the last batch of olive pulp. So now we're going to go ahead and heat it on the medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. I don't really, when they say 5 to 10 minutes, I'm not sure, well, why don't you just say 5 or 10 minutes? So I don't know, maybe just go in between, go for about 6, 7 minutes. Okay, chill out, chill out. So once that has heated through, we're going to strain it. Basically, you're meant to use a cheesecloth, and as we're in lockdown due to coronavirus at the moment, I haven't been able to find any at all. But I did find this tote bag, which seems to be the right sort of material. So we're going to put it in here and then try and strain out everything else, and hopefully all that's left after that is water and, well, the oil. So now I've got the tote bag and I've put it over the sieve and into this bowl, and hopefully it will start dripping through there into there. So now that this has been cooking, all you have to do is pour it into the bag. Well, you should be using a cheesecloth, but we don't have that, so we're using the bag here. Then we just leave it to cool down, which I don't know how long it's going to take. As you can see, it is already starting to drip through on its own from the top. So now all we have to do is squeeze the rest of the juice out. It's still warm, like that. As you can see, it is quite a messy process, but you can already see on the top the oil starting to develop. So that's what we need, and it's going to take some time for that all to change. So we're going to pour it into the glass. Perfect. And then we'll see the oil floating to the top. And if we leave this overnight, hopefully in the morning, it will completely have separated. So we left it overnight, and we can now see the clear oil at the top and then the olive juice at the bottom. Now all we have to do is we have to move take the skim off the top layer and put it into there, and we'll see how much we actually have. So I'm just going to get a spoon. I've not done this before, so. On another video they used one of these instead. We'll see how well. God, so I just want the oil. Oh, that does work. So using the teaspoon method, we got the top layer of oil out of the glass and put it into this little shot glass just to see how much we ended up with. You could probably go through and sieve out the rest of the little olive bits, but that's how much we ended up with in the end. So yeah, it worked, and this is how we made our olive oil. it.